Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create glitch effect using the keyframe and video effect feature on CapCut. First, just prepare your clips and then a black background at the start. Now add the first video as overlay. So copy it first, then make one of them as overlay. Put it under the black here. Okay, now add keyframe at the start and the end of the overlay. Go to the first keyframe and zoom out the clip. Like this. And then go to grabs. Go in between the keyframe, click on custom and edit it like this. Okay, click on the check icon and now go to the video effect. Click on the glitch category, then select the chroma zoom effect, this one. Adjust the size to 0. Okay, put it under the second clip. And now go to the video effect again. Now go to the opening and closing category and then select the vertical blur effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the blur to only 15. Put it the same as the first effect. Now go to click on the first clip at the top at the main track, then go to animation and add the swing bottom animation. Okay, this one for 0.4 seconds. And you are done. You can just apply it to all. So just copy it and put it for the next clip. Okay, after you apply the effects to all of the clips, just click on the transition box and now click on the glitch category and then select the glitch transition, this one. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks. Bye.